Alright guys, we've got a kayaking video today in the Opequon Creek here in the eastern panhandle of West Virginia. Judah is out with me and we are catching trout, or maybe just one. But don't know why this video didn't get uploaded. It's a Labor Day weekend. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. And this was back in May. So check out the video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. I don't know. It's really windy here, so I don't know if it's a good idea or not. So we're gonna try to catch some trout. Judah, show them what you're gonna be using today. The old four-man hillbilly bamboo rod. Probably been easier for him just with handling his kayak. So we'll get him hooked up and get in the water. This is already cold. Alright, I think my hands were wet and I thought I hit record. I didn't, and I had to net this man's fish. That's a nice one. There he is. What do you think of him?
Pretty good. Can we eat him for dinner?
Eat him for dinner? We'll have to see. If not tonight, maybe tomorrow. Let's see. That's pretty much only one cast, so let's see what else he can get. Goldie right there. There's Judah. Boy! Judah kept telling me he found something, and I was like, I don't. No, it was a lure, so we haven't done it yet. But Come on now. Yeah. Hasn't been there too long.
Yeah.
That's one of the first lures I ever had. A hula popper.
Hula popper?
Yep. Good eye. We got the 7-year-old kayak fisherman. Fishing with it. Are you tired?
Yeah, I know.
Beautiful night. Evening. It's a little bit chilly, but it's pretty decent. Haven't seen anyone. We've seen 2 people fishing at the bridge, 2 teenagers, and that was about it. So here was the site last year of Judah's fall. Yep. Yep, on his first ride. Oh, we're gonna hit.
Oh no! Oh.
Oops, it's hard.
I got it.
Oops, here we go. Not good. Not good. Oh no, almost fell. Should just turn the GoPro on instead of messing with this. That would be the easy thing to do. I guess it can't fly, I guess. There's the kind of duck I've never seen before. I don't know. Alright, let me get to the end. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
How many trout you catch?
What?
How many trout did you catch?
Just one.
Okay, we saw a bunch of goldies swimming around. We didn't have a whole lot of time, so you want to hold up? Can you get in 2 hands? Put your thumb up in his mouth. Alright, that's a wrap. Tell everyone what to do to the channel.
Please subscribe.
And have fun fishing.